How to change language on Zangi. Hi guys, it's Mikran. Today I am going to guide you how to change language on Zangi. Changing language on Zangi is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Zangi app. Start by launching the Zangi app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Navigate to Setting. Tap on the gear icon. This will take you to the app setting page, where you can customize your various options. Find the language option. Within the setting menu, look for the language option. Depending on your device, it might be located under a section like General, App Setting or similar. Select your preferred language. Tap on the language option to view a list of available languages. Scroll down the list and choose the language you prefer by tapping on it. Confirm your selection. After selecting your desired language, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. If so, follow the on-screen instruction to confirm. And there you go, it's done. That's how you can change language on Zangi. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.